Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Wi-Fi suddenly not connected on your Windows 11 computer. So there are seven reasons why your Wi-Fi might suddenly stop connecting, and the common solutions that you can try is you can check the Wi-Fi connection. So you need to ensure your Wi-Fi is turned on and your device is within the range of the router. So if the router is too far away with your devices in here, it might be the problem because it's too far away. And the second one that you can try is restarting the router, because sometimes a simple restart can resolve connection issues. You can unplug your router, wait for 30 seconds and plug it back in. And the third one in here, you can try to forget and rejoin the network. In the Wi-Fi settings in here, you can for example here, you can just click on this info. Again, not that one. You can just here right click on it and then tap on forget. And after that, you can try to rejoin or reconnecting again by typing in the password again and connect to the Wi-Fi. And this can sometimes refresh the connection. And the fourth one, or the last one, is you can update the network drivers, because outdated drivers can cause connection problems. You can check for driver updates on your computer manufacturer's website or use Windows Update. You can also check for malware and reset the network settings. You can go to settings in here, click on the Windows button, settings, find the network and internet, and here you can go to the advanced network settings and find the reset network, this one, network reset options. And you can also check for hardware issues. So if none of the absolute solution works, there might be a hardware issue with your Wi-Fi adapter. You can try using a different Wi-Fi adapter or connecting to a different network to isolate the problem. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I hope this tutorial will be helpful.